This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been turned inside out and the center line has been marked on the shirt. Okay, I've done something like this before. I'm not sure which video is going to show up first. So let's just go ahead and start. We're going to do sleeve inside sleeve. Alright, and then we are going to fold this back on itself to go into a quarters. Now if you line that up, you can usually do pretty good. Basically it's on the bottom, you flip that over. And touch up all this bulky mess that shows up in the collar. Well, it helps if I pull that out from under itself, doesn't it? Whole lot. Alright. Alright, and then we just put the sleeves somewhere. You can leave them out, you can tuck them in. As long as you're dyeing face down, from there, this won't make a difference. If you're dyeing on this face, then it will make a difference where this is, because that's 4 extra layers of fabric. But the easiest is to just place it on there. Alright, I'm going to mark off 3 or 4 inch sections. So let's see. That should probably work. And same thing up here. Then we're going to decide which direction to go. It doesn't really make a difference. Just put a line. And you're going to ignore this next set and come up here. So you skip a set. Now we're going to accordion and tie along these. Okay, how do we pull these? Just to try to keep those pleats intact. And this down here is probably a lost cause, but I'll drop it on the end. Okay. So I'm going to set it up so that all of the tie lines are in a row. And I'll drop a band across that. Alright, off to dye. We're going to use Black Cherry from Dharma and Classic Cerulean from Dye Spin. I'm going to go ahead and put the ice down. This is at steeper than a 45-degree angle. That's basically all I can say looking at it. So I'll put the ice in, lay the dye down. It does have holes poked in it, so it's not going to sit in the muck. That'll go down. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through. And then I'm most likely going to lay it down in whatever muck forms, just to be able to pick up all the stuff on the back that would otherwise be white. But we'll see. Okay, it's been 4 days in super cold, well below freezing weather here. So that's why I let it sit for 4 days. Going to rinse this out, and we'll take a first look. Before you scream at the screen and leave an ugly comment to me, I'm aware I left the water running. We are well below freezing here. Pipes are in the attic, so if the water isn't left running for the few days every year that we're below freezing, we have thousands of dollars in plumbing damage. Alright, this is interesting. Let's go throw this in the washer and we'll see the final results. Alright, so this is the 4th one in a row I'm actually doing a, whatever you call this part of the video, the end of the video for, because I had 4 batching all at the same time in the frozen winter period of time here. Let's talk about the back a little. Back's kind of dirty. That line there, these right here, I don't necessarily care for that, but it looks better on the front, I think, because there's less of that dark color. Let's see, are there any faces? That could be a little face right there, like a little bunny rabbit or something. No ears though, unless the ears tucked together or something. Anything else? I don't know. I'm not seeing anything else. I probably will when I actually edit the video. Let's check the back again. I was more focused on the splotches. This could be wings of some creature, maybe. Alrighty. Let's see. I mean, honestly, I think it came out pretty cool looking. I like the blues, even the whites, because it actually works with it, and it's not just large expanses, it's just that gradation off the blue. Oh, this could actually be a bird right here, I guess, with the wings branching out. You even have the tail feathers. That could be there. If you're getting tired of the ads on YouTube and you don't have premium to keep the ads away, I do offer ad-free videos on my Patreon, which is linked down below. Adding historical as well. Let me know what you think about that. And let me know what you think about this. Any changes, suggestions, anything else, let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching.